Palestine. Fungi are a hot topic of health today. It's hard for you not to know some people who have had fungus at some point in their life and somewhere in their body. Many times it is due to not taking precautions and others is due to infections. Today I speak of a testimony of a man from Palestine who revealed to us how he removed the fungus from his head, feet and hands. It is a remedy based on saffron, garlic and cassia, ingredients that have great antiseptic and fungicidal properties that will help you fight against the fungus and the symptoms that it contracted. Ingredients: 5 pieces of garlic, saffron, 2 cups of water, a grapefruit, a little cassia. Preparation and method of use: 1. Place the 2 cups of water, the grapefruit peel, the 5 pieces of garlic and a good amount of cassia to boil for not more than 17 minutes. 2. Preserve: be prepared by storing it in a refrigerator for daily use. 3. Then wash the areas affected by the fungi, apply it every day until they disappear completely. 4. You will see and feel the effects almost instantly.